Hi, are you your own roadblock in achieving your goals because of procrastination and being lazy? But deep down, you really feel to overcome your procrastination and laziness? Hi, this is Sharayu Sagar. I am a life and happiness coach. Friends, today I'm going to talk to you about 5 simple tips which will help you to free yourself from your procrastination paralysis and become a doer instead of a dreamer. So before we begin, first let me tell you that it's all because that we let our fears immobilize us and tell ourselves the stories that justify our reluctance to take action. We convince ourselves that we are not good enough and that our efforts will probably end into failure. First of all, stop telling these stories to yourself that you are a procrastinator and a lazy person, because it's not true. You weren't born that way. It's just a story that you tell yourself, which means that it's a story and you can change your story. So friends, let's dive into our 5 simple tips which will help you to stop procrastinating and being lazy and become an action taker in achieving your goals to live your dream life. Tip number 1, start with small goals. Friends, start your day with setting 3 to 5 small goals for yourself in alignment with your bigger goal, and then commit to yourself to completing them before you go to bed that day, no matter what. But make sure that these goals are realistic and achievable, because the act of achieving them and crossing them off the list will give you the confidence and momentum you need to keep going. Now let's move to our tip number 2, and that is eliminate distractions. Eliminate all those distractions that are preventing you from fully focusing on your goals. Make a list of all the distractions and find different ways that will prevent you from wasting your time mindlessly, so that you can spend that time more productively working towards your goals. Now let's move to our tip number 3. It's set hard deadlines. Friends, it's very important for you to set hard deadlines for yourself and then committing to achieve them. And once you do achieve your goals, then reward yourself for it. This will boost your self-confidence and motivation and will help you to maintain your focus and momentum in achieving your goals. Another way to avoid the trap of procrastination is to focus your time and energy on the things that matters most to you. You know friends, most of us tend to procrastinate when we are forced to work towards the goals that doesn't even matter to us. But it's a lot easier to focus your time and energy on something that is aligned to your passion and that is deeply important to you. So when it comes to taking action, focus your time and energy on the things that matters to you most and delegate everything else as much as you can. Now let's move to our tip number 4. It's get an accountability partner. Friends, I would highly encourage you to have an accountability partner. You know friends, a powerful way to avoid slipping back into inaction is to share your goals with another person and make your daily or weekly reports on your progress. Because when you have to be accountable for your efforts, you are more likely to make that efforts count. The simplest method is to have a 5 minutes call every morning at the same time if possible, and commit to 3 to 5 things that you are going to do that day, and then reconnect next day and report on what you have accomplished and what you didn't, and they do the same with you. Now let's move to our last and the 5th tip, that is create an action focused mindset. Friends, I would highly encourage you to use visualizations and affirmations to create an action focused mindset and keep your goals at the top of your mind. And learn to see yourself as someone who gets the things done. Because when you see yourself as a goal-achieving powerhouse, you become the one. So friends, this was all about the 5 simple tips which will surely help you to overcome your procrastination and laziness and will help you to become a doer instead of a dreamer in achieving your dream life. So let me quickly summarize. Tip number 1, start with small goals. Tip number 2, eliminate the distractions. Tip number 3, set hard deadlines. Tip number 4, Get an accountability partner. Tip number 5. Create an action-focused mindset. This was all about today's video. I would highly encourage you to use any or all of the tips which will help you to prevent yourself from being lazy or procrastinating and become an action taker in achieving your goals to live your dream life. So see you in my next video. Bye-bye.